This is Peschiera del Garda. From stunning piazzas to sun-kissed beaches, from iconic cruises across the lake to hidden alleys packed with charm and history, you're about to see the best of Italian beauty, style, and soul. You'll soon discover the quiet charm of Italian beauty, from timeless landmarks that carry echoes of the past to cozy cafes and inviting restaurants full of local flavor, and streets that feel like they belong in a painting. Massive stone walls, ancient gates, reflections dancing on calm waters. Moments that will leave you speechless as you witness the timeless beauty and history of this remarkable city. And trust me, the most beautiful moments are still ahead. So take a breath, settle in, because Peschiera is ready to surprise you. Our journey begins at the stunning Piazza della Serenissima, a peaceful oasis where the sky opens wide above you, the waters shimmer like glass, and little boats gently drift by as if time itself has slowed down. This square greets you not with noise and crowds, but with calm, elegance, and soft beauty. It's a place where every step feels unhurried, and the light seems to dance on the surface of the water. Though its structure is relatively modern, its name pays homage to a glorious past, to the mighty Venetian Republic, once known as La Serenissima. Here you can still feel the legacy of that power and sophistication, woven into the very atmosphere of the square. It's not just a place to visit, it's a gentle introduction to the timeless charm and soul of Peschiera del Garda. Palm trees sway in the breeze, elegant walkways stretch across the water's edge, and reflections from ancient walls ripple softly with every passing breeze. It's no surprise this square has become a favorite among locals and travelers alike, a spot to relax, meet friends, take photos, or simply let the beauty sink in. But what truly brings this piazza to life are the cafes and restaurants that surround it, each one with its own character, its own inviting aroma drifting into the square. You might sit down for a strong Italian espresso or taste local wines as golden hour turns the sky to fire. The menu? Fresh lake fish, handmade pasta, delicate desserts, and every bite tastes better when paired with that view. Whether you're dining, sipping, strolling, or simply watching the boats float by, Piazza della Serenissima doesn't just show you the beauty of Peschiera. It makes you feel it. As we continue our journey, we arrive at the vibrant heart of Peschiera del Garda's waterfront, the Navigarda port. Here, the gentle lapping of the lake against the docks sets a tranquil rhythm, while the colorful boats bob gracefully in the crystal-clear waters. This bustling harbor isn't just a picturesque scene, it's a gateway to adventure. From here, ferries and private boats embark on journeys across Lake Garda, connecting travelers to charming towns and scenic vistas. The Navigarda service, a staple of the region, offers an array of routes that showcase the lake's beauty from a unique perspective. Strolling along the promenade, you'll find inviting cafes and restaurants where the aroma of Italian cuisine mingles with the fresh lake breeze. It's the perfect spot to savor a leisurely meal or a refreshing drink while watching the comings and goings of boats and the ever-changing hues of the water. As we continue our journey, we arrive at the enchanting Lungolago Mazzini, a picturesque promenade that gracefully traces the southern shore of Lake Garda. Here, the gentle lapping of waves against the stone embankment sets a tranquil rhythm, while the shimmering waters reflect the ever-changing hues of the sky. Palm trees sway in the breeze, and the scent of blooming flowers mingles with the fresh lake air, creating an atmosphere of serene elegance. Stretching from the historic town center towards the Spiaggia dei Cappuccini, this lakeside walkway offers breathtaking views at every turn. Along the path, you'll find charming cafes and inviting benches, perfect spots to pause and soak in the beauty of the surroundings. Whether you're enjoying a leisurely stroll, savoring a gelato, or simply watching the boats glide by, the Lungolago Mazzini invites you to experience the timeless allure of Peschiera del Garda. As we continue our journey, we arrive at the impressive Porta Brescia, a testament to Renaissance military architecture. Constructed in the 16th century under Venetian rule, this fortified gate served as a crucial entry point into the walled town of Peschiera del Garda. Its robust stone structure and strategic design reflect the town's historical significance as a defensive stronghold. Passing through Porta Brescia, one can almost hear the echoes of soldiers' footsteps and the creak of wooden carts that once traversed this gateway. Just before entering Porta Brescia, art enthusiasts will delight in an open-air art exhibition that adorns the adjacent bridge. Known as Il Ponte dell'Arte, this recurring event transforms the area into a vibrant gallery, showcasing works from local and regional artists. It's a perfect blend of history and contemporary culture, offering visitors a unique visual experience before stepping into the historic heart of Peschiera del Garda. As we venture into the heart of Peschiera del Garda, we find ourselves immersed in a tapestry of history, culture, and vibrant life. This fortified town, recognized as a UNESCO World Heritage Site, boasts a unique star-shaped fortress surrounded by canals that once served as vital trade routes. Every corner you turn opens onto lively scenes, boutique shops brimming with handmade goods, colorful displays of local fashion, and inviting storefronts that seem to whisper, "Come take a look." The aroma of freshly brewed espresso floats from cozy cafés, where locals sit and chat as if time doesn't exist. Restaurants spill out onto the narrow streets with tables dressed in white linen, laughter echoing between the buildings as people enjoy everything from wood-fired pizza to gourmet lake fish. Strolling through the historic center, Piazza Ferdinando di Savoia, a lively square adorned with elegant fountains and inviting cafes. Nearby stands the Duomo di San Martino, a Romanesque church rich in frescoes and artworks, reflecting the town's deep-rooted spiritual heritage. Just beside the Duomo of San Martino, you'll find well-preserved remnants of the ancient city walls, silent guardians of centuries past. These stones once defended Peschiera, and today they offer a fascinating glimpse into its rich military history, standing proudly for visitors to admire. Crossing the picturesque Ponte dei Voltoni, we are greeted by charming alleyways lined with boutique shops, artisan studios, and gelaterias, each offering a glimpse into the local craftsmanship and the flavors. The bastions provide panoramic views of the lake and the surrounding landscapes, a perfect spot to pause and take in the serene beauty. For those seeking culinary delights, Peschiera del Garda offers a range of dining options. From cozy trattorias to upscale restaurants, the average meal ranges from $15 to $35, allowing visitors to savor traditional Italian dishes without breaking the bank. Accommodation is equally diverse, catering to various budgets. Hotels range from affordable options at $27 per night to more luxurious stays averaging $105, ensuring a comfortable experience for every traveler. Tucked away in a quieter corner of Peschiera, the Officers' Pavilion stands as a reminder of the town's military legacy. Once a place of command, now a place of quiet admiration. Its elegant architecture and peaceful setting create a striking contrast with its strategic past. Just a few steps away, inside the inner courtyard of Piazza Serenissima, a different kind of charm awaits. This hidden gem feels like a stylish escape. Boutique shops, chic cafes, and cozy bars line the walkway, blending modern taste with the elegance of Italian design. It's a perfect spot to slow down, browse, and enjoy the softer side of Peschiera life. As you arrive in Peschiera del Garda, Porta Verona welcomes you with timeless grandeur. Built in the 16th century during the Venetian rule, this majestic stone gate was once a vital part of the city's powerful fortifications. Its thick walls, symmetrical design, and coat of arms above the arch are a tribute to the engineering brilliance of the Serenissima Republic. Today, Porta Verona is more than just a historical monument. It's a dramatic entrance to a town where every stone tells a story. Crossing it feels like stepping into a different era, where the past meets the present in one graceful archway. As we slowly make our way toward the harbor, the atmosphere begins to shift. The streets become quieter, the breeze cooler, and the gentle sound of water draws us in. A few boats appear along the edges, rocking softly with the current, like a quiet invitation to pause and breathe. Step by step, the view opens wide, and suddenly you're surrounded by life on the lake. Dozens of boats, both private and for rent, bob calmly in the water, waiting to set out on new journeys. Tourists chat by the docks, families prepare for a day at sea, and the reflections of the sky shimmer across the surface like a living painting. This harbor isn't just a destination. It's a reminder that Peschiera del Garda is a gateway, not only to history and architecture, but to the endless beauty of Lake Garda itself. And if this video brought even a little bit of that magic to your screen, then why not stick around for more? Subscribe to the channel to support this journey and to never miss a new destination. Hit that like button if you enjoyed the ride and drop a comment below, whether it's your favorite spot from today, a memory of your own, or a place you'd love to see next. Your support means the world, and it helps keep these videos coming one beautiful place at a time. Until next time, thanks for watching and see you on the next adventure.